Welcome to Tax Smarts Unlocked, the podcast for individuals and small business owners looking to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services, each episode is packed with insightful advice on proactive tax planning to help you navigate the complexities of tax laws. Here's your host, David Robson.
Welcome to Tax Smarts Unlocked, the podcast where we turn the labyrinth of tax laws into a path of clarity, all with a hint of humor. I'm your host, David Robson, and today we're cracking open the world of tax planning for side hustlers. Whether you're freelancing, running a small business, or just getting your hustle on the side, understanding tax obligations can significantly impact your bottom line. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to dive deep into some actionable insights that promise to keep more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. Let's kick things off by understanding the unique tax obligations that come with side hustling. When you're self-employed, you don't just wear multiple hats in your business. Your tax responsibilities multiply as well. Enter the realm of self-employment taxes. These taxes account for both Social Security and Medicare, akin to what an employer typically withholds from an employee's paycheck. However, as your own boss, the entire burden rests on your shoulders, amounting to approximately 15.3%. But don't fret. Knowledge is power, and with some savvy planning, you can ease this burden. Next up is the critical task of income and expense tracking. This is your foundation for tax efficiency. I can't stress enough how pivotal it is to keep meticulous records. Not only does it potentially save you money on your tax bill, but a well-maintained ledger can be your shield in the event of an audit. Use apps or software that fit your lifestyle, and make it a habit to log transactions regularly. When tax season comes around, you'll thank yourself as you dodge the stress of last-minute scrambles. Now, let's talk deductions, the magic words in the tax world. As a freelancer or a small business owner, you have an array of deductions at your disposal. Home office, travel expenses, even the cost of that new laptop you bought for work. But beware, understanding the fine line between business and personal expenses is crucial. Properly distinguishing these will ensure you get the full benefit without attracting unwarranted attention from the taxman. Proactive tax planning is another crucial strategy in minimizing tax liability. Set aside time quarterly to review your income and expenses. This habit not only keeps your financial health in check, but also positions you to make necessary adjustments throughout the year. For instance, consider increasing your estimated tax payments to stay ahead or strategizing your significant purchases towards the end of the year to maximize deductions. Speaking of estimated tax payments, there's immense value here. Paying your taxes quarterly can be a strategic move. It helps you avoid penalties and keeps you in a rhythm that's typically easier to manage than an annual lump sum. Plus, by making these payments, you're essentially smoothing out your cash flow, so there are no unwelcome surprises when tax season rolls around. Don't forget about retirement planning. I know it seems like a long way off, but did you know that the self-employment tax you pay is contributing to your Social Security? This is why it's vital to not only plan for the short term, but also take those long-term financial goals into serious consideration. Look into establishing a simplified employee pension, SEP, IRA, or a solo 401k. These are tax-advantaged retirement accounts that can both lower your current tax burden and secure your future. Another tactical move is setting up a separate bank account for all income and expenses related to your side hustle. This step not only streamlines your record keeping, but also fortifies the separation between your business and personal finances. Come tax time, everything you need is in one place. This clarity cannot be overstated as you aim to simplify the tax preparation process. Now let's talk about the unsung heroes of tax season. Professional tax preparers. Consulting with a professional can save you both time and money. A seasoned preparer keeps abreast of the ever-evolving tax laws and knows the deductions you're eligible for, potentially finding savings you may not have been aware of. They're like a GPS for your taxes, steering you clear of potential pitfalls and optimizing your returns. Let's illustrate these concepts with a couple of real-life case studies. Consider Emma, a freelance graphic designer. Through diligent tracking of her work-related expenses and optimizing deductions, Emma managed not only to decrease her tax liability significantly but also increase her take-home pay. Or take John, who runs a part-time photography business. By consulting a tax professional, he discovered he could claim the home office deduction, something he'd overlooked for years. Organizing your financial records might seem mundane, but the payoff is substantial. Accurate records are the backbone of efficient tax preparation. They reduce the time spent preparing returns and ensure you're claiming all possible deductions. Establishing a system, whether digital or physical, that's easy to maintain throughout the year is a small investment for a large return at tax time. Lastly, let's bring it all together with a focus on long-term financial goals. Tax planning is not just about the immediate future, it's about setting the stage for financial security down the road. Implementing these strategies can have a profound impact on your long-term wealth. By understanding your tax picture now, you're constructing a solid framework on which to build your financial legacy. And there we have it, folks. A comprehensive dive into tax planning for side hustlers, offering a toolkit of strategies to help you hang on to more of your earnings. We've talked obligations, deductions, proactive planning, and the value of expert advice. Remember, navigating the world of taxes might seem daunting, but with the right information and resources, it can become just another step in your financial journey. Thanks for tuning in to Tax Smarts Unlocked, empowering you to take control of your finance, one tax return at a time. Until next time, take care.
Thank you for joining us on Tax Smarts Unlocked, the ultimate podcast for individuals and small business owners ready to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services. Each episode has been carefully crafted to provide you with insightful advice on proactive tax planning. By adopting a smarter tax approach, you can focus on what you do best, growing your wealth and your business. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't miss an episode. Subscribe to Tax Smarts Unlocked on your favorite podcast platform and unlock the secrets to confident tax planning. Remember, it's time to take control of your taxes and unleash your full financial potential.